Hey, it's Ashley with Focused and Fit here, and I'm going to show you the different ways to use a foam roller to promote muscle relaxation. After an intense strength training session, my body tends to tighten up and I feel immediate soreness once my body starts to cool down and relax. Sometimes this soreness and tightening of my muscles interfere with my sleep and ability to continue to stick to my workout schedule. In order to reduce muscle soreness and tightening of the muscles I worked out that day, I use my favorite self-myofascial techniques, which include foam rolling and static stretching. Sometimes I pick one or I combine both. For this video, I'm only doing foam rolling. Foam rolling can be used on various body parts, including your hamstrings, your quads, your calves, your back, and your glutes. And it can promote blood flow, increases range of motion, reduces muscle inflammation, and helps in muscle recovery and relaxation. Obviously here, my back is my favorite body part to roll out because I spend most of my days sitting and the tension in my back can build up over time. So I encourage you to get a foam roller, and if you have a foam roller, use it as often as you can, even if you don't work out. But if you work out, this definitely can help you relax tension in your body. It's kind of like having your own personal masseuse, if you will. Anyway, thank you for watching this video. I hope you like, comment, subscribe. Let me know down below in the comment section what your favorite body part to roll out is and how often you use it. Thanks for watching and enjoy the rest of the video.